This video translation into many language. You can find your language in the translation sections.
Hair loss, alopecia, can affect just your scalp or your entire body, and it can be temporary or permanent. It can be the result of heredity, hormonal changes, medical conditions, or a normal part of aging. Anyone can lose hair on their head, but it's more common in men. Today in this video we will share with you how to get long and thick hair, aloe vera hair oil to get long hair, no hair fall. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need aloe vera for hair long. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Aloe vera is known for giving you good glowing skin, but its benefits don't just end there. It can also stimulate hair growth. Aloe vera contains a vast repository of amino acids and proteolytic enzymes. 1. These nutrients help improve scalp health and boost hair growth. Second, we need onion. Growing your hair is a task and requires time and patience. With the amount of time your hair takes to grow, and the trims you cannot avoid, it's hard to resist the urge to give up. I'm not going to lie, growing your hair does require a lot of patience, but it also doesn't have to be as painfully slow. Using growth-stimulating ingredients like onion can help boost the rate at which your hair grows while also adding volume. Third and last, we need lemon juice. Lemons contain antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamins including C and B6, which are all important for healthy hair. Known as an aid to increase hair growth, its use can stimulate the follicles and scalp, reduce dry skin and remove excess oils. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. Ready for use on your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.